Nobitex, one of Iran's leading exchanges, is still the venue for significant transaction activity. Despite geopolitical shocks, including the war in Iran, Nobitex remains a key hub for crypto activity. The exchange volume has shifted to stablecoins and is mostly driven by whales. A recent report by Global Ledger, shared with Cryptopolitan, pointed out that Nobitex was surprisingly robust even after the effects of the war in Iran. The exchange, which was hacked for $81.07 on Tron, still carries stablecoin traffic and even allows funds to move out of the sanctioned country. In 2026, Nobitex volumes dropped sharply, processing $46.97 for the year to date. The activity of just $9.04 per month is just a fraction of the peak volumes of Nobitex. In 2024, the exchange processed $207 monthly from its peak. Nobitex is still a key hub for Iran. Global Ledger analysis showed Nobitex was resilient and remained a critical hub for crypto activity in Iran. In 2026, turnover fell more than 18 times compared to the 2024 peak. Despite the sanctions, Nobitex remained connected to the wider centralized exchange ecosystem. Nobitex moved $3.06 billion to other centralized exchanges, with $1.13 billion processed by the top 10 centralized markets. The exchange flow analysis showed that large players made the bulk of volumes. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Around 4% of addresses with over $200K in transactions generated 85% of the volume on Nobitex. The war in Iran was a major geopolitical shock, but it did not destroy Nobitex. After a 50% drop in volume since March, the exchange recovered slightly, returning to its levels from February 2026. The recovery shows crypto players in Iran are adapting to the new conditions and still seek USDT as the main safe haven asset. Nobitex saw a shift in activity towards stablecoins, particularly USDT, as users look for stable assets in times of uncertainty. The shift is a sign that even in a sanctioned environment, crypto can serve as a lifeline for value transfer. Nobitex's continued operation also suggests that Iran's crypto sector is not entirely cut off from global markets. The exchange's ability to move funds through Tron and BNB chain indicates that alternative blockchain networks are being used to bypass traditional financial barriers. The presence of whale activity on Nobitex is a key indicator that large players are still using the platform for strategic transactions. These whales are likely moving funds in and out of the Iranian market, leveraging stablecoins for liquidity and access to global markets. The fact that only 4% of addresses account for 85% of the volume shows a high concentration of activity, which is typical in markets with limited infrastructure and regulatory clarity. This concentration could also mean that a small group of actors is shaping the direction of crypto activity in Iran. The resilience of Nobitex, despite the hack and the war, shows that crypto infrastructure can withstand significant shocks. The recovery in volume since March is a positive sign, though it is still far below pre-war levels. The exchange's ability to adapt and continue operating is a testament to the flexibility of crypto networks. The next signal to watch is whether Nobitex can sustain this recovery and if the shift towards stablecoins. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Continues. A sustained increase in stablecoin transactions could indicate a broader adoption of crypto as a financial tool in Iran. Conversely, a further drop in volume could signal deeper challenges for the exchange or the broader market. The ongoing movement of funds through Nobitex also raises questions about the role of stablecoins in sanctioned economies. As long as USDT and other stablecoins remain liquid and accessible, they may continue to serve as a bridge between Iran and global markets. The next key signal will be how the exchange's transaction flows evolve in the coming months, and whether the whale-driven activity stabilizes or shifts to new patterns.